Good day, everyone. I've come once again today to teach you. Today, we want to discuss mathematics. We are still discussing longitude and latitude. And today, we want to talk about what we have on the board. When you look at the board, you notice that we have the topic to be what? Distances on great circles. Distances on great circles. All right, what do we have? They said for a distance to be on a great circle, the two positions connecting the distance must either be on the equator or on the same longitude. That is either east or west. That means two of them should be or east, east or west, west. But on different, okay, I repeated something here. Get it here. I repeated this. All right. Sorry. But on different longitudes or latitudes, as the case may be. All right. If you want to calculate the distance on great circles, we make use of this formula to calculate it. We say that R is equals to, we use theta over 360 times, we have 2 pi, we have R to calculate it. Is it clear? So if you want to find the distance on great circle, we make use of this. We say that the distance is equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. All right, pi, we know pi means 22 over 7. We have it to be 22 over 7, which can also be 3.142 approximately. All right, then what about the theta? The theta we have here, is the difference. The theta we have here is what? The difference in the what? In the latitude. Difference in the latitude. Can you see that? The difference in the latitude, that is value of theta. Then what about the r, capital letter R? We use capital letter R to denote what? The radius of the earth. Radius of the earth, which is given to us as 6,400 kilometers. It's a constant, 6,400 kilometers. So anytime we want to calculate the distance on great circle, we make use of this formula. The theta we have here is the difference in latitude over 360 times, we have 2 times pi times what? Radius of the earth. When we substitute, we get our answer. All right, let us solve example 1 so that you see how this can be solved. All right, we have example 1 like this. All right, we have example 1. Example 1 says, find the distance between point A, which has latitude 56 degrees south and longitude 80 degrees east, and point B, which has latitude 65 degrees north and longitude 80 degrees east. They say we should take pi to be 3.142 and the radius of the circle to be 6,400. All right, so we have something like this. We are trying to find the distance between the point A and what? B. So we have solution like this. We have solution. All right, so what do? I will draw a small earth like this. So when you have earth like this, can you see it? All right, so here now we have point A says what? Point A says that latitude is what? 56 degrees south. So we have like this. We have this. Look at the circle. Look at the earth here. So we have this. I have north here. Remember, this is what? Down here is south, and here is what? East, and here is what? West. So if you're talking about 56 degrees south, south is this side. So you should come this side. Can you see it? You are going to have something like this. Is it clear? And they said longitude 80 degrees east. Look at east here. So it should be somehow like this. So look at where they meet. Can you see the point where they meet here? So at this point, you are going to have your what? Your A. Can you see? Here is your A. All right. So next one we have is this. We have point B. They said latitude what? 65 degrees north. Look at north here. So latitude should be up here. We have something of this nature. Can you see it? Latitude here. And they say longitude 80 degrees east, which is like this. So they are going to meet somewhere here. So look at point B here. Can you see point B? This point is point B. This place. Why this one is what? Point A. All right. When you look at this now, you notice that they have common longitude. So what they have that are different, they have a difference in what? Latitude. This one has north. This one has north, while this one has what? South. Is it clear? So, and I told you that the formula we use to find this, the difference, that we have what? Difference in latitude. So what do we do? First of all, we find the difference in latitude. So I'll clean this side so that I'll continue over here. I don't have much space here. All right, so we have like this. So one is here in the north, while the other one is in the south. So they have difference. Difference should be what? Addition, because they are on different sides. So we have addition. So we have difference in latitude to be. So since they are on different directions, this one, you have this one on south, this one north. So the difference in latitude should be what? Addition. Can you see this one south? This one is what? North. So we are going to add. So we say 56 degrees south plus we have 65 degrees north. Can you see? South and north. When you add this thing together, what do we do? When you add this thing together, you say 6 plus 5 will give us 11. Write 1, carry 1. 6 plus 5 will give us 11 plus 1. We have like this. We have 121. Can you see that? So, difference in latitude, we got it to be what? 121. I told you that the distance on the great circles that we make use of this to denote it, to get it, we have distance like this. We have distance. Distance on great circle can be calculated using the formula. Distance is equals to theta over 360 times what? We have 2 pi r. That is the formula that we use to find this distance we are talking about. All right, the distance we are talking about, we have distance between what? Point A and B. So we are going to use it. We have to be using line AB. We are going to be using line AB to denote the distance. All right, now we have found this difference in latitude, which is what? 121. We have over 360. We have two like this. They gave us pi. They said we should take it to be 3.142. Can you see that? All right, so we have again times. They gave us r to be what? 6,400 kilometers. Can you see that? All right, bringing everything down so that nobody will get confused. We have this. So what do? We multiply the numerator, then multiply the denominator. Use denominator to divide the numerator. So we have something like this. We have 4,866,329.6 divided by 360. When 360 divides this, we are going to have 13,517.6. When you approximate to nearest whole number, we are going to have 13,518 kilometers. Can you see that? So that is the distance we are talking about. So the distance between point A and B should be what? 13,518 kilometers approximately. So this is how this thing can be solved. It is not difficult. So just follow this formula. The formula says that theta over 360 times 2 pi capital letter R will give you the distance between 2 points on what? The great circle. You know that the value of the theta is what? The difference in latitude. And the value of capital letter R is radius of the earth, which is constant, which is what? 6,400 kilometers. When you substitute, you will get the distance. It is not difficult. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Bye.